Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? It is I, the Work at Home Job Queen, and today is January the 5th, 2021. I'm going to apologize in advance for my voice. It has left the building, but I have been taking my zinc and drinking warm liquids and things like that to try to get it back. So I apologize in advance for that. But let's get the housekeeping out of the way. Make sure you sign up to the email newsletter here on the blog. It is 100% free. It doesn't cost you a dime to sign up to the email newsletter. And the amazing thing about it is you get first dibs on these opportunities, because a lot of times there are thousands of people that are applying. And if you get the opportunity first, you have the opportunity to apply before they remove the listing. Okay. I don't, like I said, I don't charge anything. I do not spam your email. I only send you legitimate work at home jobs. Okay. All you're going to do is come over to the blog, link in the description box down below, and type your email where it says get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. Okay. Also, make sure you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge over here on Facebook, you guys. There is an opportunity that I'm going to share with you guys on today. They are hiring big time for the upcoming tax season. And one of the recruiters is actually in the group. And after you apply, she's going to tell you to email her with the email that you apply to the position for, and she's going to reach out to you. So again, this group is amazing. Okay. I have several people in here that are recruiters that send me job opportunities, and they actually hire directly from this group. So make sure you come over here and join. Again, it's free 99. It doesn't cost you a dime. Just make sure that you have a photo. Make sure your account is not new. And also make sure that you answer the 3 questions when prompted. Okay. Those are all of the requirements that are asked of you. And I do accept everyone within 24 hours. Okay. I try my very best. No more than 48 hours. I try to go through and accept everyone. Okay. Now, the first opportunity that I'm going to share with you guys is one of the ones that I was telling you about, where you definitely want to be in the group, because the recruiter is in the group and she is, hiring people, or she is at least putting you in a position to get hired. Okay. The start date for training of this position is January the 18th. From my understanding, they do have another training that starts on January the 25th. So definitely apply immediately. Okay. Pay is $13 per hour. And what you're going to be doing is you'll basically be assisting people during the tax season. Okay. So you'll be helping them with their software inquiries as well as their tax software questions. And again, training is 100% provided. So you don't have to have any tax experience. Okay. Don't think that you have to be some type of tax guru in order to apply for this position, because they 100% train you. Okay. So definitely come over and check this one out. This is for Alorica. They're looking for customer service representatives. All right. Make sure you use the link that I have on the blog. Reason being is because they have several other customer service positions that are available. However, this one in particular is for the position that I am directly talking about right now. So make sure that you actually apply to the one that I have listed. All right. Also, make sure that you come over and apply to Pearl Interactive. They're currently looking for appointment schedulers to work from home. And with this position, all you'll be doing is contacting an assigned list of veterans to determine their medical appointment scheduling preferences. Okay. I'm not sure about the pay for this position. I'm not 1,000% sure, but I'm pretty sure they will definitely tell you if you are chosen to move forward with an interview. Operating hours are Sundays to Saturday, 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, this is a full-time position. All right. Now, training will be for 3 weeks. This is a virtual training, which means that you will be training 100% from home. That's one of the things that I love about working from home, you guys. We can wake up, brush our teeth, wash our face, and start working and making money. Okay. Unless you're on camera. If you're on camera, of course you want to, be presentable. I always like to say business on the top and bed on the bottom. You can have on your pajamas on the bottom, but just make sure you have on, you have your hair combed and you have on some, a nice shirt if you're going to be on camera. Okay. And a lot of times, I'm going to say 99% of these jobs, you're not required to be on camera, okay? They may require you to get on camera for an interview, the initial interview, but they won't, expect you to be on camera 100% of the time for most of these positions, okay? So again, this one is for Pearl Interactive, all right? Now, these two jobs are listed under yesterday's date on the blog. So make sure you scroll down to January the 4th and you'll find Alorica and Pearl Interactive, okay? And also make sure you come over and apply for Health Labs. Health Labs is looking for patient service representatives. Now, the pay for this position is $17 per hour with the opportunity for overtime. So this is bomb, you guys. I mean, this is like, you can really stack some money, okay? They pay you every week, every Friday, okay? Again, this is 100% work from home. This is a fully remote position. Now, all of those positions are going to be listed under yesterday's date, which is January the 4th. All right. But again, under today's date, there are several other, I'm talking about tons of positions that are hiring you guys. For example, Achieve Test Prep, they're looking for appointment setters. Now, you need to have a little bit of sales experience for this one. However, the pay is $18 to $25 per hour. And I know several people who have reached out to me and said that they have sales experience. So go and make that money, okay? Also, you have Mod Squad. They're looking for customer support reps to work for a high-tech fitness company. Also, you have Therapy Brands. They're looking for customer care specialists. And Amazon is still looking for seasonal HR contact center associates. Okay, so definitely check out this one. Now, I've shared this one a couple of times before, but they are actively still hiring for this because I guess a lot of their current employees are out for COVID. So, of course, they are applying for their leave of absences, and this is what you'll be doing with this position. And they do provide you with all of the equipment that you need for this position. And they're hiring in almost all states, okay? I'm not going to read them all, but they are listed over here on the blog, okay? Again, make sure you come over and sign up to the email newsletter on the blog. Make sure you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook. And make sure you check out all of these positions, especially Alorica. Make sure you join this group, you guys, because again, the recruiter is in the group and she can assist you with possibly getting hired for this position, okay? Remember, training starts January the 18th, and they do have another class that starts January the 25th. So this one is kind of a short fuse type situation where you need to apply pretty fast because training will be coming up soon. And again, make sure you come and apply for Pearl Interactive and also Health Labs. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.